Welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Friday evening, October 10th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of finance news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
New Pacific Metals Corp, NYS American UP, TNUB, ready to benefit from silver and gold price surge, Bolivia's political shift. New Pacific Metals Corp, listed on NYSE American as NEP and on TSX as NEWAG, is poised to benefit from the surge in silver and gold Bolivia's political shift. Silver prices have climbed over 60% this year, nearing the all-time high, while gold prices have surged roughly 53%, reaching new highs. New Pacific's projects in Bolivia could yield nearly 19 million ounces of silver annually, with significant gold potential. The country's upcoming presidential runoff may open doors for more foreign mining investment. Silver's surge is driven by factors like inflation, industrial demand from renewable energy, and global uncertainty, pushing investors towards safe haven assets like precious metals. Industrial use, especially in solar panels and electric vehicles, is contributing to the growing demand and price surge. Runway Growth Finance to acquire SWK Holdings. Runway Growth Finance Corp is set to acquire SWK Holdings, a life science-focused specialty finance company. This acquisition will accelerate Runway Growth's strategy to diversify and optimize its portfolio, adding significant scale and enhancing its financial profile. The merger is expected to be accretive to net investment income, with mid-single-digit NII accretion anticipated. The transaction will expand Runway Growth's exposure in the healthcare and life sciences sector, increasing healthcare investments to approximately 31% of the portfolio. With a focus on disciplined growth and venture debt investing, Runway Growth aims to generate long-term value for shareholders through both organic and inorganic strategies. The acquisition is a net asset value merger with an estimated purchase price of approximately $220 million, including a fixed stock component and cash payment. SWK's portfolio includes 22 companies with an approximate fair value of $242 million. The transaction is expected to close in late 2025 or the first quarter of 2026, pending approvals and customary closing conditions.
Investor News Breaks, ESGold Corp, OTCQB ESAUF. Featured in Network News audio segment, when the dollar blinks, real assets take center stage. ESGold Corp, traded on the CSE under the ticker symbol ESAU and on the OTCQB under ESUF, is featured in a Network News audio segment titled, When the Dollar Blinks, Real Assets Take Center Stage. The segment discusses the renewed investor interest in miners and metals due to inflation and currency volatility. ESGold's focus on a tailings-first strategy at its Montauban project in Quebec positions it well to benefit from this trend, offering a low-capex, high-margin model to generate early cash flow. The company's commitment to responsible mining practices and sustainable resource recovery makes it a standout in the industry. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided link. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.